What is TTL, time to live, in packet switching? Imagine sending a letter through the mail and putting a limit on how many post offices it can pass through before it gets returned or discarded. That's similar to what TTL, or time to live, does in the world of the internet. When data travels across the network, it moves in small pieces called packets. Each packet has a header that contains information, including the TTL value. This value is set when the packet is created, usually starting at a number like 255. As the packet hops from one router to another, each router reduces the TTL by 1. If the TTL reaches 0 before the packet reaches its destination, the router throws it away. This process stops packets from looping endlessly, which could clog the network and cause delays. Think of TTL as a countdown timer for each packet. It makes sure that if a packet gets stuck in a loop or takes a wrong turn, it doesn't stay in the network forever. When a packet is discarded because its TTL hits 0, the sender often gets a message back telling them that the packet expired. This helps network administrators troubleshoot routing issues. TTL also helps in measuring how many steps or hops a packet takes to reach a destination. Tools like Traceroute use TTL values to map out the path a packet takes across the internet. They send packets with increasing TTL values and record the routers that respond along the way. This way, you can see the route your data takes and identify any slow points. Beyond just moving data, TTL is used in other parts of the internet, like in domain name system or content delivery networks. In those cases, TTL controls how long cached data stays stored before it needs to be refreshed. This helps keep information up to date and reduces unnecessary traffic. In simple terms, TTL is a vital part of packet switching. It keeps data moving efficiently, prevents endless loops, and helps us understand the routes data takes across the internet. Without it, networks could become congested and unreliable. So next time you use a tool like Traceroute or see how your data travels, remember that TTL is working behind the scenes to keep everything running smoothly.